Changing your profile picture on Google Calendar is a straightforward process that helps personalize your account. Follow these steps to update your profile picture. Step 1. Open Google Calendar. Launch your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Sign in with your Google account if you are not already logged in. Step 2. Access your account settings. In the top right corner of the Google Calendar interface, click on your profile picture or the initial icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Go to Personal Info. In the Google account settings, navigate to the Personal Info tab on the left side of the screen. This section allows you to update your profile information, including your profile picture. Step 4. Change your profile picture. Under the Profile section, you will see your current profile picture. Click on it, then select Change or Upload to choose a new image from your computer or device. Follow the prompts to upload and adjust your new picture. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have selected your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Your new profile picture will now be updated across all Google services, including Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can easily update your profile picture on Google Calendar. Enjoy personalizing your account.